Now we'll talk about historical though. Historical rates and mortgage rates on average are around 8%. Historically, you can look at it. So we're still way below historical rates, right? So if we put things into perspective, yeah, we got all this crazy instability in the world going on right now. But for people thinking, I don't want to add rentals because that's a mistake, right? Because even up to 8%, I mean, I knew people at 12, 15% mortgage rates on rental properties. As long as they cash flow, and that's a big thing. You want to be able to cash flow them. Obviously, but obviously if prices continue to go up, it's going to get really hard to do that. So we'll see.
Totally.
And the Fed is just trying to stabilize the inflation that those idiots created. They're not going to be able to recapture this and stabilize it. So they're going to end up, in my opinion, I personally think they're going to increase the rates and go, oh crap, and then start backing it off later in the year when they realize they're destroying different markets. And because obviously it's a real estate market, hits our market quick. As far as the rate increase, that short-term cheap money, because there's a lot of cheap money going into real estate, which is the biggest tax haven of any asset class out there, right? So,
exactly.
Any other things you want to add before I open up the questions for people? Some people might have questions, but do you have anything else you want to add?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, a big thing that really differentiates like Kiavi to other lenders that are like us. When I say like us, like institutional hard money, let's say, right? A big part is the tech. So when we first started originating loans back at 15, I remember on a good month, we were doing probably like 10 million a month. We fast forward to, we had like 40 to 50 folks. When we fast forward to today, we have about 450 in headcount and we're doing like 475 million was our number last year. But a big part of how I mentioned those numbers because a big part of how we got there is just implementing processes that are simple and also scalable, not just for like the front end user like yourself, but the people that originate on the back end. So when it comes to our strengths, I really think it's the tech, good people that are working towards the common goal, and then we're institutionally funded so the well won't run dry. So those are our biggest value adds, I would say, as a company.
Definitely, and I gotta say, your people are awesome. They're on top of stuff quickly. Multiple different departments working on different things. They all communicate and collaborate collectively to get stuff done. I've never ever had an issue. You guys can close quick. And what's the quickest you've ever closed on a loan?
I mean, the quickest is 3 calendar days.
Wow, that's a rarity. Everything's got to be set.
Well, that's a rarity. Yeah, like value came back instantly. It was a borrower that we've worked with for a long time, so they know us well. The title company knows us well. The title was clean. Like everything that could go right went right. Like everything that was just like perfect aligned. But in general, on the pro program, I would say like 5 to 7 business days is normal. Like a week to week.
Great.
Yeah, on the pro program.
And you guys don't do transactional funding at all, correct? Just like
no. So it was interesting. So I was hearing mixed things from the team, like, yeah, we can do it, and others were saying that it's kind of like it would cause a little bit of operational thrash. So for transactional funding, I would say we're working towards a place where it's fluid. Right now, it's a little hard for the team to get that done. Yeah,
that makes sense. It makes sense. Usually, these specialty lenders go out there and do that anyway. It's probably something you need to add to your growth. What you guys have is perfect for your general real estate investor out there who wants to do fix and flips. Wants to do buy and holds, or buy and fix and then hold, build to rent, right? Not build to rent, but buy to rent. Buy to rent.
Yeah, sure.
The BRRRR theory, right?
Right.
And all those kind of things.